Page 90, again, we're going by 10 pages each. Page 90, we learn another scale form. We're in the second position. We know C, F, G. Now we're going to learn the D scale. Let's just think about it. The G major scale has F sharp in it. As you can see, the key signature, D scale, has C sharp and F sharp. So if we know the G scale, we can add C sharps, eliminate the C naturals. If we start on D, we know the notes D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G. Now this encompasses the whole second position. This is fingering type 3. So let's remember, fingering type 3, which is D in the second position, the root is with our fourth finger on the fifth string. No finger stretches. No finger stretches for the natural notes in this scale. Here is the first top of the page. We're going to play the statement of the scale, repeat that, another statement with some chromatics, repeat that, and play a little exercise on page 90. Here's top of page 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the trickiest thing about this exercise is in the last measure of the third line, where you have D, C, B, B flat, A, and then since we're going up, we're going to have the B flat with the first finger. Coming down is the fourth finger. Going up is with the first finger into B. So it looks like this. I'll play them as quarter notes, the last measure of the third line. D, C sharp, B, B flat, A, right? B flat, B natural, C sharp, D. Third measure of the fourth line, you have a B sharp. That's really C, right? We know that note is C. Well, it is a B sharp. Same thing. We call a note that has, we can call it a C or B sharp. Those are enharmonic notes. They're the same sound. We're calling them different notes. Here is B, here's B sharp, and here's the note C. So they're enharmonic spelling of the notes. Basically, we're doing the drill now. We know about these pages on page 60, 70, 80, 90. It's about the same thing. The scale statement again with one note, chromatic approach, and then now we have the eighth note study. Here's the eighth note study. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a repeating of how to practice this. Get the first measure. Usually it's the first and third measure where we have these chromatics. First measure, third measure, first measure on the second line, third measure, G, first measure on the top of page 91. And actually it goes again into the second measure. Last measure on that first line. Rest of the exercise. Arpeggio study. 1, 2, 3. Again, it's D triad, E minor, A7, G major, G, D, A7, D. This is really good to practice this rest stroke. Look at the first measure. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Look at the the second measure on the second line, down, 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 down. So just let your pick just fall. It's like you're pushing it down. Third measure, down, down, up, down, down, up. Keep working at it. It'll get easier and easier. And then you'll have to work at it again because it's hard to keep it up all the time. But it's always wonderful to come back to it and see how much improvement you can make.